Spermatogenesis, the developmental pathway from germ cell to mature cell, begins at puberty in males, occur in the space between the Sertoli cells of testes. Spermatogenesis is divided into three major phases: a proliferative phase, meiotic phase, and post-meiotic shaping phase. Proliferative phase. It is called spermatocytogenesis, where sperm stem cells called spermatogonia increase by mitosis. Second, meiotic phase, involving the two divisions meiosis 1 and 2 that create the haploid state spermatid, process known as spermatidogenesis. Post meiotic shaping phase called spermiogenesis, during which the round cells, spermatids, eject most of their cytoplasm and become the streamlined. Total duration of spermatogenesis. In the mouse, the development from stem cell to spermatozoon take 34.5 days. Spermatogonial stage 8 days, meiosis 13 days, spermiogenesis 13.5 days. In the human, development from stem cell to spermatozoon take 70 days. Spermatogonial 16 days, meiosis 1 and 2 26 days, spermiogenesis 28 days. The proliferative phase begins when the mammalian PGC arrive at genital ridge. PGC to gonocytes. Gonocytes become incorporated into sex codes that will become the seminiferous tubules. The gonocytes become undifferentiated spermatogonia stem cell residing near the basal end of the tubular cells. Spermatogonia stem cell niche. It is formed by junction of Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells are the epithelium of seminiferous tubules. Interstitial Leydig cells that produce testosterone. Testicular blood cells. तो जो स्पर्मेटोगोनिया स्टेम सेल नीश होता है वो फॉर्म होता है by the junction of Sertoli cells, interstitial Leydig cells and testicular blood cells. Spermatogonia attached to Sertoli cells by adhesion molecules. Sertoli cells provide nourishment and paracrine factors to spermatogonia. The mitosis in spermatogonia increases in its population. Differentiating spermatogonia are termed as type A spermatogonia. Type A spermatogonia can generate more than 1000 sperm per second in adult human males. Glial cell line derived neurotropic factor GDNF help keep the spermatogonia dividing as stem cell. GDNF is made by Sertoli cells and myeloid cells, provide mechanical strength by seminiferous tubules. Cytoplasmic bridges. As the spermatogonia divide, they remain attached to each other by cytoplasmic bridges, but these bridges are fragile, and when one cell split from others, it can become an undifferentiated spermatogonia again. Regulation of meiotic phase of spermatogenesis during puberty. Retinoic acid levels activate the STRA8 TF transcription factor. STRA8 STRA8 levels of BMP8B paracrine factor reach a critical concentration. BMP8B instructs spermatogonia to produce receptor that enable them to respond to proteins stem cell factor SCF produced by Sertoli cells at puberty. SCF stem cell factor promote the transition to spermatogenesis type B spermatogonia to primary spermatocyte. प्यूबर्टी में क्या होता है, LH ज़्यादा होता है, FSH भी ज़्यादा होता है. ये इनहिबिट करते हैं FGF9 और NANOS2 को. और अगर FGF9 और NANOS2 नहीं होगा तो STRA8 को कोई नहीं रोकेगा. STRA8 नहीं रुकेगा तो ऑन रहेगा और BMP8 भी बनता रहेगा. ठीक है. और BMP8 भी क्या करेगा, इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है स्पर्मेटोगोनिया को कि वो रिसेप्टर प्रोड्यूस करे जो कि रिसेप्टर इनको एनेबल करते हैं कि वो स्टेम सेल फैक्टर को रिस्पॉन्ड कर पाएँ, जो कि सर्टोली सेल्स एट प्यूबर्टी पे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. और स्टेम सेल फैक्टर क्या प्रमोट करता है, ट्रांजिशन टू स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस. ठीक है, एंड फॉर्म प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट. टाइप बी स्पर्मेटोगोनिया फॉर्म प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स बाय माइटोसिस. Primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 1 and form secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 2 and form spermatids. Spermatids are still connected, genetically haploid but functionally diploid. Spermiogenesis or spermatoeliosis, the maturation of spermatid into functional sperm. The construction of acrosomal vesicle, large lysosome from the Golgi apparatus. The acrosome forms a cap that covers the sperm nucleus. The nucleus rotates so that cap faces the basal lamina of the seminiferous tubule. Flagellum begin to form from the centriole on the other side of the nucleus and extend into lumen of seminiferous tubule. The nucleus flattens and condenses the remaining cytoplasm. The residual body is exocytosized. The mitochondria form a ring around the base of flagellum. ATP to dynein molecular motor to tubulin protein and then flagellar movement. Molecular changes. During spermiogenesis, the histones of spermatogonia are often replaced by sperm specific histone variants and finally protamines, which are very high basic. PGC pattern of methylation is removed and male genome specific pattern of methylation is established on the sperm DNA. Shutdown of transcription in nucleus. The resulting sperm then enter lumen of seminiferous tubule. Development continues even after leaving testis. After testis, sperm reside in the epididymis. Epididymal cells release exosomes that fuse with sperm. Exosome contain small non-coding RNA and other factors. These factors can activate and repress certain genes of egg. The sperm will bring these agents ncRNA into egg. Sperm still isn't fully mature even when it exists. Urethra, ejaculated, semen consists sperm plus secretions. The final differentiations by sperm occur in the reproductive tract of female capacitation. Secretion from the oviducts will change the sperm cell membrane so that it can fuse with membrane of egg cell. Thus, the full differentiation of sperm take place in two different organisms, that means male and female. 100 million sperm are made in each human testicle in one day. Each ejaculation releases 200 million sperm in adult male.